listen, we've played a lot of rock on hi-hats. Let's get adventurous. Let's play a Tommy rock groove. Yeah, I said it. Let's do it. The chord groove. 8th notes, just moving from the hi-hat to the floor tom. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and snare drum 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and bass drum 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So that's a groove all by itself. But now, the fun stuff. First tom that happens is on the of 2 with the left hand on the high tom. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and After you've done that first high tom, you may as well stay put with the left hand for the next high tom, which happens on the E of 3. So you get 1 and 2 and E. 1 and 2 and E. Sounds ridiculous, but it works. So get that grooving, get the whole bar going. Again, every single variation of this is just as valid, so you can experiment with this however you want. Just the final touch for this chord groove is moving that left hand from the snare drum, which we've just hit on 4, and then hitting the of 4 on the floor tom with the left. So 1 and 2, E, 4, Look at that. And if you're blessed like me and have an extra floor tom, you can do the 8th notes on that and then move the left to the other toms available. All sorts of variations you can do with that. But now, what would I do? Here's what I'd do. If you want to mix things up just ever so slightly, a great way to do it is to start moving the right. So, going back to just the chord groove, imagine you've just got a high tom, floor tom. We're now going to fill in that gap that happens between these two high toms. Left, right, left. Oof. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Sounds pretty cool to me. 1 and 2, 3 E. It's just those 3 up there, then you move the right back down. 3 E and 3 E and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 E. It just gets you used to moving that right hand because it's very easy to just stay fixed with that right hand. Try it on the mid tom as well.